Do you know the power of network marketing? Today, I'm going to explain to you in less than 6 minutes 6 ways that you can get paid in your sleep. I am getting paid at LiveGood. It's a network marketing company. Every single month, I get all sorts of bonus money, right? Direct deposited into my bank account. I wake up in the morning, I look at it on my phone. So stick around. 6 minutes, 6 ways to get paid. Passive income at LiveGood. Let's go. All right, so first of all, this is what LiveGood is. Once you join, you want to drive people to this landing page. It's going to explain the life-changing products, the breakthrough marketing system, the huge compensation plan. You are going to get a link just like this. You see mine, livegoodtour.com/Katina the broker. All right, but let's get into the 6 ways that you get paid, baby. All right, so once you join, you log in, get familiar with everything, all of the menu items over here, but the one we're going to talk about today is, where'd it go? All right, probably because I'm already on the page. So today, today we're going to talk about right here. This is what I was looking for, the pay plan. So, all right. Number one, you earn 6 ways to get paid at LiveGood. Weekly fast starts commission. Okay, each person who signs up under you, you will receive a 25% commission paid out every single week, right? Plus, if any of the people you enroll choose to enroll others, you will be rewarded also. The bonus commissions are up to 10 levels deep. All right. So, and here's the ranking system over at LiveGood. All right. You are unranked when you have one or less people. Then it goes bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Boom. That's how it goes. Number 2, here's the matrix commission. When you lock in your position in LiveGood, you are given your own business center in the fast filling 2x15 matrix. All right. And as more people join LiveGood every week, they are placed in the matrix under you. Under you. Now, this is what I just talked about in the beginning. This is why I say you got to join as soon as possible, because the people who join after you, even if they're not on your team, they're going to go behind you. So you will benefit from the matrix that way. All right, let's go to number 3. I'm trying to keep this under 6 minutes, y'all, so bear with me. All right, the matching bonuses. As huge as the fast start commission and matrix bonuses are, the matching bonuses are even bigger. All right, and this is how, on top of the $2,047.50 or up to $16K, you can earn in your personal matrix. They will also match 50% of the matrix commissions on everyone you join. All right, now, you know, here's the first generation, here's second, third, fourth, and fifth. And this is again gold, silver, platinum, diamond. All right. And let me tell you, if you're liking this video so far and you're learning about LiveGood, give me a thumbs up, okay? And drop a fire emoji in the comment section. Also, any questions too, because I respond to each and every single question. All right. Now, next, retail commissions. All right. You also get commissions on any person who purchases the product. Here's one example of the product, these Super Reds. I keep this with me at the office because it's good for stress and it's good for energy. So this is why I like, let me just do a close-up. This is why the Super Reds is one of my favorites. You see them beets? You see that pomegranate? Y'all ain't eating no beets and no pomegranate every day. So get you some Super Reds. Go ahead. Sign up for LiveGood right now below. All right. So let's get to number 5, which is influencer bonuses. So for affiliates who join and who choose to market products to retail customers on a larger scale, you will earn additional bonuses. All right. And let's talk about that diamond and that crown diamond bonus pool. So once you become a diamond, you get 2% split between all qualified diamond rank members. And this is 2% of the total sales of the whole company, y'all. total sales. So yes, that is your 6 ways. And the crown diamond though, now the crown diamond, I'm gonna tell you, this gonna take you gonna put in some work to become a crown diamond, but basically you get 0.5% split between all qualified crown diamond ranked members and 0.5% of total sales of all membership and product sales that gets divided evenly among all qualified diamond rank affiliates. So hey, let me just get back to this Live Good tour though. So, I've been a part of Live Good. It's almost a year now. And I did a great video, when I first started about getting paid. And so it was just a great feeling. You really are making some passive income in your sleep, and you receive those big checks every single month. So basically, just take the free tour, y'all. Take the free tour today. All right. It's one of the most powerful network marketing systems in the industry. All right. You get a head start on building your team. You get products that sell themselves. You become a part of a huge, generous compensation plan and life-changing results. So that's it. This was definitely explained in under 6 minutes. 6 ways in under 6 minutes. I'm Katina. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to watch the next video, more on Live Good. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. See you on the other side.